Hi guys, we are going to replace key fob battery for Nissan Sentra, but this is same for all other models. If you have key like this for Altima or Nissan, probably Rogue or maybe not, but if the key is like this, then how to replace key fob battery? It's very easy. Let's get started. You can see this button, you can slide other side to release the key. We can take the key out. This is first step. Take the key out. Now we have to open this key fob box. For opening this box, we need flathead screw, but the very tiny kind of that we can push from here to open, here or here. That's it. You got it. Open it. And here's the battery. Okay. Let's see. The number is 199. This is original battery, but the replacement number is, you can see CR2032 is right here. CR2032. So the replacement battery number is CR2032. Get the new battery, the same number, CR2032, and put the new battery in. Close this key fob box. Push. Yeah, it's all good. And insert the key again. And that's it. You are all set. And this is for key fob battery replacement for Nissan Sentra 2020 or 2021, 2022 model, or any model which has this kind of key. So all good. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.